This is Abul Kalam. It Abul Kamal, no? Here, matter is dismissed on the ground that first that Nabia Begum, you remember Nabia Begum, Nabiron Nessa. So Nabia, there are so many discrepancies. Nabia Begum in her evidence said that I had voted in 1992, whereas the petitioner had placed a voters list of 1989, where she appeared as Nabia Begum, whereas grandmother's name was Nabiron Nessa. So there are many discrepancies, and the father of the petitioner was 34 years in 1989. He should have been there in the voters list of some earlier years. So on various discrepancies, the matter is dismissed.
Obliged.
Item 26, WPC 2741 of 2021.
Here also, we have decided to dismiss the matter because there were again so many discrepancies. First of all, NRC and those Khiras Pata and all are not applicable. Things are not very clear. And he could not place any voters list where he, with his father, with his grandfather were together. So this is also dismissed.
Yes. Back to mention one matter, my lord. To be listed on the 18th of my lord May, because it was last listed on 30 July 2022, my lord. LCR is there, my lord.
FT matter.
My lord. LC is there. LCR is there, my lord.
Matter which year?
But of 2022, my lord.
Okay.
Wait, please, your lordship. If I beg to mention item number 6 matter with the consent of the other side matter.
Yes, madam.
My lord, this matter may pass for the day, my lord.
Bora?
Yes. Can be taken out 26 or 28.
On a request made on behalf of the state appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed on
26 or about 28.
both are Thursday and Tuesday. Okay, okay, 28. Okay, sorry. 28/5.
Obliged.
Wait, please, lordship. With regard to item number 10, my lord, kindly pass over.
And your name is not there, Mr. Bhuya.
I'm not there, my lord. The earlier council, he has engaged some other, my lord. I am requested, my lord. I will file my power, my lord. I am requested to
But
appear.
you should not give a mention slip if you are not on record.
Yes, my lord. That
At
is-
least we want the person who giving the mention slip to be in the records.
Yes, my lord.
We are looking for your name.
Yes, my
You are
lord.
not
It is-
there here. You are not there in the Wakalatnama.
Yes, my lord. Not there, my lord.
Okay. But when do you want?
My lord, any day first week of June, my lord.
First week of June. Why?
I have to prepare myself, my lord.
Prepare. How long do you need to prepare?
Then, my lord,
On a request, no, Sri T.K. Bhuya, Learned Council, has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the petitioner. Oh, have you filed the power?
I will file, my lord.
Has submitted that he has been instructed to appear on behalf of the petitioner and would be filing the power soon. Full stop. He has accordingly paid for an adjournment. Para? List on 18th of May.
My lord.
18th of May, before which date the Wakalatnama is required to be filed.
Nice.
The name of Sri T.K. Bhuya be reflected.
After
in the
Wakalatnama.
list.
Wait, please. Lord, I beg to mention item number 22. I am for the appellant. I've informed the other side also. But I am praying for an accommodation for the day.
22 is a matrimonial appeal.
Yes, my lord. I am for the appellant.
Okay. When do you want?
Can it be on 26 minutes? It's a hearing day.
On a request made on behalf of the appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed on 26.
26.
26/5.
Well, okay. Grateful, man.
Wait, Your Lordship, with regard to item number 21, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I appear for the opposite party. Your
Yes.
Lordship, we are supposed to file an objection, Your Lordship. Unfortunately, the signatory is not in town, Your Lordship. May I pray the matter may come on 18th, Lord?
Inform the other side.
Inform the litigant, Your Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the opposite party, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of objections. Full stop. List on
18th, Your Lordship.
18th. Today is no?
Ji, haan. Aji,
18th, yes.
18th, Lordship.
18th.
18th.
Right. 18/5. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we have some difficulties in conducting the matter today, Lordship. So,
PL, what is
Yeah.
the matter about?
if the matter is about limestone crushing, Lordship.
Stone crushing.
Stone crushing, Lordship.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, you have taken the consent? Of the other
Yes,
side,
Lordship.
forest and all, on a request made on behalf of the petitioner, to PL. Matter is adjourned to be listed after
Any day, Lordship.
after a week. You have to give a list on 15th of May,
Lordship, so blessed.
15/5.
May please, your Lordship. With the consent of other side, I would like to mention item number 4, Lordship.
Hmm.
May list on 12, Lordship.
Hmm?
Senior
Seeking adjournment
adjournment, yes, Lordship.
on a request made on behalf of the appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed on
12, Lordship. If
12th, 13th of May.
13, Lordship is.
12 of May.
12, yes.
12th.
I'll
May it please, your Lordship. With the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 1, 8, and 9, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Arguing counsel Mr. A.W. Aman is unavailable, your Lordship. Matter may be adjourned for the day, your Lordship.
Item 1.
26, matter lodged.
And the other matter, 1,
1, 8, and 9, your Lordship.
8 and 9 of which years?
26 lodged.
Okay. Okay, somebody is unwell, will adjourn. On a request made on behalf of 3 A.W. Aman, learned counsel for the petitioner who is stated to be unwell. Matter is adjourned to be listed on, we'll have it on 15th,
Lordship.
15th, separate orders, huh? 1,
8 and 9, your Lordship.
8 and 9. 8 and 9 at the petitioner.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship, 1-4, Lordship. This is content matter.
14 is
Yes,
connected.
Lordship. Lordship,
14 is connected with 12,
yes,
13.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, may I pray for the Lordship adjournment, Lordship?
On behalf of the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
what about
For the
13?
petition.
13 council?
Lordship, I will inform him.
No, you have to
Lordship.
inform them. Connected matter, we just cannot adjourn.
Lordship, I am contacting him, but perhaps he is,
You be here when the matter is
Lordship.
called upon.
Lordship.
We'll try to accommodate
Lordship.
you.
Yeah, please, sir. Lordship, this matter is passed over for the timing.
Time being.
Few minutes.
Who, R. Chakraborty, where is he?
He's coming. He's on his way.
10-10-25.
10, 10, 25.
No,
Oh.
Item 27, subsidies.
One executive magistrate is already deputed for assisting him, Lordship, but latest instruction is to receive, Lordship. Irregularity, Sekia SCS executive magistrate, Moriapur district is hereby deputed to oversee law and order during taking over possession of the following security assets, Lordship. Why compliance,
No, you have to seek the instructions. Have you got the instructions?
151 instruction has come,
Hmm?
yet not completed, Lordship.
But this is happening for a long time.
Next week, Lordship, I shall obtain from court district. It is come from the dispute regulation.
Mr. Sharma?
Well, there, until and unless they provide us the security, my lord, we cannot take over the physical
No,
position.
that is it. 14
That is-
application.
My lord, order has
14
been passed, that
application,
has not been completed.
You're frustrating 14 application, madam.
Lordship, yeah,
Entire objective of 14 application is being frustrated if you are not providing the security.
And my lord,
What will
payment
be
has
the
also been
objective of
done.
the act? Surface area act will go for a toss.
already officer has been deputed. Why he has not done, Lordship? I shall take instruction from him directly.
there is a renewal of the prayer for grant of time to obtain necessary instruction by Miss R.B. Bora, Learned State Council. Full stop. Para, as a last chance, and considering the subject matter involved, which involves, involve in connection with Section 14 of the Surface Act, a last opportunity is granted to the State Council to obtain the necessary instructions. Para, list on. We'll have it on 18th. You get more than a week's time, madam, you get the instructions. Education process or not? Ready to ICD. Mr. Is.
Item 2.
Property, what, your matter was item 2.
Yes.
Where are you? Matter was.
Sorry. Well, in this case, my lord, there was earlier opinion, my lord, saying that I am not a foreigner, my lord. Then subsequently, another opinion were initiated, my lord. And now, my lord, it is stated that I am a foreigner, my lord. So, my lord, my contention is that, my lord, as per the, my lord,
What is the date of the opinion?
it is, my lord, 10/10/2025, page 58, my lord.
Yes, madam. Verma?
And interestingly, my lord, recently, my lord, they have already issued ECI voter card. I had exercised my voting also, my lord, but this opinion remains.
You will examine the matter.
Okay. Heard. Sri R. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has instituted this writ petition challenging an order to so-and-so, passed by so-and-so, whereby the petitioner has been
Yes.
declared a foreigner post so-and-so.
Yes,
Sir. Read. Hard report, hard to legible, huh? Like that. R. Chakraborty, huh? Who has filed this petition. So, Sri Chakraborty, the Learned Counsel has submitted that there was an earlier opinion dated 22/2/2016, whereby the petitioner was declared an Indian citizen, and despite the same, the impugned opinion has been passed. What's the para? Let notice be issued. Returnable on returnable on 10th of June, 2026. Union of India. Who's there? Union of India. Union of India. Is he there? For him to accept notice would be slightly difficult now. He is a senior counsel. Anyone? Union of India. SS Roy. SS Roy is there. Huh? K. Gogoi is there. K. Gogoi. CGC 1. Election Commission of India. M. Sinha. On behalf of S. Kotoki 4. Where is Madam Kotoki? Should be here for Election Commission Standing Council. Then Coordinator NRC. G. Sharma 3. Then Madam 4. Verma 4. 4.
4 and 7.
4 and 7. And 6, District Commissioner P. Sharma. 5 not required, I think.
Required.
Notice is not required to be issued to respond number 5. Extra copies. Also call for the records. Registry to requisition the same. Para. Sri Chakraborty, the Learned Counsel, prays for an interim order, which however is opposed by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. That's what appear further. We'll give you a date. You appear on or before 20th of 20th of May, 20. Okay. বাকি সব আইরিস একেবারে or if it doesn't appear, same orders not be in a positive.
Always.
You will furnish extra copies.
Today.
Item 28 for her.
Yes. Councillor Nagar.
Mr. Ahmed. Ahmed was there. No?
Martin.
Oh.
This is again orders of suit.
Yesterday, we had to start.
Okay. Not Jay Ahmed.
Orders.
Okay, we will take 2-3 matters and whenever he comes, otherwise it will. Okay.
Also will say that.
Motions are over. Admissions are they?
If admissions are for final disposal, then this matter will then have to be released. Let's take up the orders matters if something there. Admissions case, admission.
এটা দুটা
FT matter নহয় to, admission.
নহয় এটা হয় 5 নম্বৰটো 7 নম্বৰটো FT ন নহয়
5 number to FT.
7 নম্বৰটো নহয়
GM. Mr. Ahmed, you are ready for the matter? Final hearing.
Actually, it is mentioned today, the record has come.
No, we can take up for disposal, but we had heard the other matter to a large extent, so we wanted to complete that matter and take up your matter.
For final disposal, another that we fix. I on for interim protection, but interim protection is not there.
Next week, Lordship will hear the matter since LCR is already there.
Then in
You are not an interim.
No. In the meantime, I will appear before the concerned SP.
No, we will, if you are not on interim, we should expedite the matter. Either this side or that side matter, we'll have it today itself, don't worry.
Then I have to run through this record.
You go through the record.
And next week, maybe fix my any day.
Next week, next Tuesday,
Tuesday.
next Thursday,
5
Thursday.
Thursday. Next Thursday.
On a request by Sri J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner.
14th.
Matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday.
14th.
No, I can listen. Sri J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he would require some time to go through the TCR which have been received and has accordingly prayed for prayed for an adjournment. In that view of the matter is in that view, comma, the matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday next. Date.
14th. I have gone through the.
Please.
Item 7.
Look, I'm supposed to file a reply matter release, but I'm due to some more time.
You have not filed. What is the matter?
Matter was
What is the matter?
Lordship, you're conducting counsel in layout in court number 24.
But you should know what is the matter about. You do not
Lordship,
know.
matter is related to contractual employees in Lordship.
What is the matter?
Some persons claiming regularization of services they were contractual labor they approached the tribunal
Okay.
During
Sri G. Goswami, learned counsel for the BSL, has renewed his prayer for grant of time to file the response. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on on 22nd, 22/5. So to enable the respondent to file the affidavit.
Some more time maybe.
Last time, you're already given around 16/3. How can we grant you more time? We are in the month of May. 2 months have already passed.
First of June.
No, sorry. Then 25th of May.
Well,
We cannot give you more time like this. Okay.
Item 11 and 12.
Then to time listen. Take a break.
10 to adjourn.
10, madam, time has been taken by Mr. T.K. Bhuya. He's the new counsel.
Just coming.
For that matter.
24.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is your?
At the last occasion, my lordship, directed the respondents to take instruction. Is
Purna is?
against the common judgment and order dated 20.
No, we will know that. Yes, Excise Department.
Gogoi was there.
Excise. Names reflected or not?
Names reflected.
R.R. Gogoi.
R.R. Gogoi,
Mr. Gogoi,
Lordship, communicated with department, Lordship. The issue is that,
we know the issue.
yes, now the department is facing some problem because they have already submitted representation seeking similar relief against LDAs, Lordship. So that representation is pending before them and they are not so aware of this matter since 2002. So they are looking into it, Lordship.
But we can't grant you time. These are, 2002 matters.
Yes, Lordship. But
It's
but it's,
2002 writ petition, it's unheard of. But the issue is slightly different.
slightly different.
There
and
is
there's
an
representation-
order that after disposal of a particular case, it will be
Yes.
listed. Those cases have been disposed of.
Disposed of.
There is a
Lordship.
direction for grant of compensation.
Compensation,
So they are seeking parity.
parity. And there's some representation only in the month of March, Lordship, They're seeking similar benefit.
No, month of March is for representation seeking parity. But what about these cases? These are pending since 2002.
They are part of this.
Heard Sri S. Sharma learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri R. Gogoi learned standing counsel, Excise Department, Para. Sri Gogoi. The learned standing counsel has informed that instructions have been received as per which representations have been submitted by the petitioners recently in the month of March 2026, seeking parity for which further instructions will be required. Para, as an exceptional circumstance, time is granted to the learned standing counsel to obtain the instructions, as these cases are very old. Para, list on 22nd of May.
22nd of May.
Of life.
Item 13 and 14.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, my senior is late in other court. Lordship, may I kindly pass over for time being.
Who is the senior?
Lordship, Dinar.
Dinar.
My lord, in item number 13, we have not received affidavit till date.
Here, have you filed the affidavit?
Lordship,
have-
Lordship, in 13, we have filed an affidavit on
Copy?
No, I have not received.
My lord, in item number 14, lordship, they have filed the affidavit, lordship, and in this record, lordship, I may be allowed, my lord, for each time to file the reply, lordship. Item number 14, 1 4. And in respect of our lordship, item number 13, they have not
But how,
filed it.
how can you say this copy have not been served upon you?
Lordship, on 14 we have filed and 13 we haven't filed.
13 you haven't filed.
Lordship.
13 you have filed.
Lordship.
13 of the Senate.
Oh, which is 13?
503.
503.
Yes.
503 you have filed.
Lordship, in 14 Sohit we have filed and 13 we haven't filed.
503 not filed.
503 there's a petition, there's an affidavit.
Yeah, 13 not filed on I don't know. Affidavit to be filed by the learned.
Good file, good sir.
14 not say.
So now. What's it? Hey, plug in. Where is he?
Look like him.
The flag is good book. Our file is in the green file is in the green.
এখন আছে কিন্তু ফ্ল্যাগে নাই ইয়াতে
Affidavit of R1.
কিন্তু ইয়াতে অফিস নোট আছে not received but by all respondents
465 what did it say it was? The 465 phone it came already said. কি করে এসব? While affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 1 in contempt petition 465 of 2025, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 has prayed for some time to file such affidavit in contempt petition 503 of 2025. Para? The learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 465 of 2025 has prayed for time to file rejoinder. Para? In view of the above, matters are adjourned by 4 weeks to enable exchange of further affidavits. Para? List on 10th of June. 10th of June. But file it immediately, okay, in the other one.
Applies.
আর এখানে fit করে দিব। ফোনে তো দিলেও ফোনে ভুলতে এটা দিছে এখন তো এটা দিছে।
Applies.
Item 15.
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, the paper publication of the notice has already been done. Today, my senior is also out of station. Lordship may post it for hearing the next day.
Have you brought those on record?
My lord, we have filed
Filed
the
an
affidavit to
affidavit.
that effect. The affidavit was filed on 23 March 26, my lord.
Upon respond numbers,
Sole respondent, my lord.
sole respondent. Where did you publish?
Two newspapers, my lord, Amar Ujala and The Hindu.
কি পেপাৰৰ নাম ক'লে আমাৰ উজালা
Not Amar Ujala, it's Amar Ujala.
Amar
It cannot be Amar Ujala.
Ujala. I apologize, my lord.
অমৰ
What is your name?
Ardas.
Is that your number? Okay, you are on record, Mr. Das.
My lord.
Yes. Read Ardas, learned counsel for the petitioner, has drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit filed on 23rd of March 2026, with which the paper publications have been enclosed. Full stop. He has submitted that in terms of the order dated 24/2/2026, such publication has been made in one issue of the Hindu dated
3/3/26, my lord.
3/3/26 and one issue of Amar Ujala dated same. Same. Para? In view of the above? Oh. There is, however, an office note dated 24/3/2026 that such publication was not routed through the registry of this court. Let us see the publication. So this is not how you publish. Page.
My lord, page 134.
Have you given a photocopy for us to see? You should
it's-
give a photocopy also. It's otherwise, where do you see?
It is. Sir,
Okay, sir. Office of so. Be that as it may, comma, service upon the sole respondent is deemed to be complete. Para. This court, by the earlier order dated 25/3/2026, had already observed that appearance of the respondent was awaited, full stop para, in the interest of justice, further time of 2 weeks. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned by further 2 weeks, so as to enable the sole respondent to appear, if so advised. Para, list on 22nd.
may I pray for the first week of June, my lord?
First week of June. And then it's on request, list on 3rd of, first of June.
Obliged.
2026.
There's an interim, my lord. The
What kind of
order
interim?
the tribunal has been stayed.
There is no interim.
The first order reflects the.
2/5, what is it?
It was
But-
not extended.
It was not extended.
2/5, there is no interim.
What's the 2/5?
2/5.
25. Shall remain stable until internal power.
Not required to be extended.
My lord, obliged.
No, in the meantime.
In the meantime, also.
I don't think it will be required to be extended. Let it remain
Well-
like this, otherwise it will give a wrong signal. Okay.
My lord, obliged.
In the meantime. চালু করি এখন তাতে কনফ্লিক্ট লসে হয়ে যাবে রেজিস্টার নাম্বার জবল এখানে নোটিফিকেশন মধ্যে নবদাবি ধরে ডাইরেক্টলি ভুল হয়েছে প্রশ্ন এখন পাবলিকেশন থেকে হয়েছে টেকনিক্যালি ইটস এ পার্ট রাগোটা অলরেডি ওয়েটিং ফর রিপেয়ারিং ওটা এখন বনা হলে রেজিস্ট্রি দি করবে রেজিস্ট্রি ওয়েট করবে যদি পাবলিশ ইট এন্ড মেক ইট
Item 16 and 17.
But 16 item is tagged with the set item number 17. And in 17, affidavit in opposition has been filed by the government. Against that, reply has been filed by them yesterday. I have not received the copy of the reply, reply or all these things, affidavit. Whatever it is, my lord, let the whole matter comes for admission.
Lordship, in this item number 17, IA is pending, Lordship, that may be disposed of, Lordship.
I for
implement, Lordship. 2 IA was there, 1 was allowed, other is pending.
we can fire dispose of the IA for implement of whom?
The respondent 58 to 79, we are the selected candidates. Lordship, and
Okay, we implement them. Who is in 17?
17, I am appearing for 17, Mr.
I in 16.
No, 17.
17, okay. You are Madhur here.
Yes.
You have any objection?
Lordship, I mean, already some people have been impleted lordship.
Oh,
So,
okay,
in that line, I
okay,
cannot.
okay. Third, Sri D. Mohanta, learned counsel for the applicants who by means of this application has sought for implement in the connected WPC 1392 of 2025. Full stop para. The learned counsel for the applicants has submitted that the applicants are selected candidates.
Not all are selected, they applied candidate.
That the applicants were candidates who had participated in the selection and their rights would be directly connected with in the adjudication of the writ petition. Full stop para. The aforesaid prayer for implement has not been seriously opposed by the any other here.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the opposite parties oblique writ petitioners. Full stop para. Considering the nature of the challenge, we are of the view that the prayer for implement is bona fide. We have also noted that few of the candidates have already been implemented, have already been arrayed as respondents in the writ petition. Para. In the conspectus of the aforesaid discussion, comma, the present the instant I is allowed, and the applicants are directed to be implemented as respond numbers
58 to 79.
58 to 79 in WPC
1392. 1392.
1392 of 2025. Para. Mr. Madhav, we have to file 2-3 pages, amend the cost study. The learned counsel for the opposite parties oblique writ petitioners is accordingly required to file amended cost title incorporating the names of the newly implemented respondents within a period of 1 week from today, 10 days from today.
Lordship, we have,
I stand disposed of.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in reply, Lordship, to the affidavit in opposition filed by the government. Lordship.
That is okay. The newly implemented respondents would be at liberty to file affidavit in opposition in the writ petition.
Apply.
Madam?
All right.
18. IA for what, madam?
Your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being. My senior SK Mehdi is on lakes.
What is the matter? Condonation of delay.
Condemnation.
The single judge. Yes.
I expected to point out that only after filing of contempt, my lord, the union has decided to file this appeal. So my lord may consider at this point whether this.
You file your objection then?
We'll file our.
Why didn't file the objection?
A similar case may already made. Okay, ma'am. Only one part.
No, it was awaiting report on service of the sole respondent. Sole respondent has entered appearance.
Yes, madam.
Let him file the objection if he wants. Okay. Heard through SK Mehdi learned CGC for the applicant for the para. Sri I. Borthakur has entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent and has prayed for time to file objection to the objection para list. Accordingly, accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on 29th May to enable filing of objection.
28, my lord. 29, I'll be.
28 is Thursday.
Yes, I'll not be here, man. 28. 28, ma'am.
28 is Thursday.
Or before, man.
If we were to our 27th is a holiday, we have just checked. Then 1st of June, 1st of June, 1st June.
First steps.
Item 19.
My lord, as per the office note, AD card has not returned, my lord. So my lord, service report may be awaited. We have taken step both Talavana as well as Speed Post, my lord, on 18/3/2026.
3, but more than a month has passed.
Yes, my lord.
Who appeared for the petitioner?
In the single bench, before the learned single bench, Mr. Senior Advocate AC Borbora.
AC Borbora.
Of the record, my lord, junior has stated to my junior that they have received the instruction, but they have not filed the wakalatnama. Let us wait for 1 week, my lord.
Okay. Third, 3. VK Singh, learned counsel for the applicant. Para, office note dated 6/5/2026 has, however, reflected that neither AD card nor answer of notice has been received back. Para, Sri Singh, the learned counsel has, however, submitted that has submitted that the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks to enable 2 weeks. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on 22nd of May.
Obligement.
Item 20.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, here in the delay condemnation petition, Lordship, notices were issued, Lordship, and step was taken on 18/3/2026, Lordship.
Waiting for a copy, my lord. Actually, all the respondents, they are official respondents, my lord.
Okay. We give a copy.
Lordship.
What is your name?
P. Majumdar, Lordship.
Part 3 P. Majumdar, learned counsel for the applicants. Para 3. S. Datta,
For one
learned standing counsel PNRD, has appeared and has submitted and prayed for time to seek instructions. Full stop. Let a copy of the as requested, let a copy of the IA be served upon Sri Datta by the learned counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day. List on 22nd of May 2020.
Lordship, the other similar matter is fixed on 18, Lordship.
Then we'll have it on 18.
18, Lordship.
List on 18.
18/5.
2026, along with
Read appeal number 253 of 25.
Read appeal 253 of 2025. 2025.
5. Apply.
This one.
Who is R3? Who is
Project
R3?
director.
Our project director.
You are for project director.
He is the chief executive officer of the Jilla Police.
So you're appearing for all the three.
No, Lordship, he's appearing for, I think, 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
One and
2.
Who's for 2?
2 finance.
2 finance department. Lordship.
Who's for finance? Finance, madam?
Usually has name be recorded on like record.
We inform him, it's not a recording. We need him to have the instructions. Okay. Names reflected or not?
Yes.
Yes, names are reflected.
Yes.
He should have been there.
Finance.
Okay. Yes, next.
Oblige, Lordship.
I live.
23. 23. Hearing.
Let me start.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes. What is this matter, Mr. Das?
Lordship, this is the matter actually related to service matter. I was railway servant and I was removed from railway service.
Who's for the respondent?
Railway side, Lordship.
Railways.
Railways. This is quite.
RDV. Where is madam?
RDV.
RDV or any CGC? You're for whom?
I'm seriously, but this case was allotted to RDB.
Where is she?
Let me inform.
can have it on some other day. We have a part matter. We'd
Lo-
like to have the other side, because
Lo-
yesterday we already heard the petitioner. Okay, so Sri JP Das, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, comma. An accommodation has been sought for on behalf of MSRDV learned CGC. Para? Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed on 13th of May.
13th of May, kindly let me check my diary, Lordship. 13th of.
13th of Wednesday?
13th of May, Wednesday.
13th May,
Lordship,
Wednesday.
Lordship. Highly obliged, Lordship, highly obliged.
Please inform her and ask her to be present. What is the next matter?
24.
States appeal.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an appeal filed by the state of Assam, Lordship. Lordship, respondents were supposed to file an objection, Lordship.
No, we will not file objection, Your Lordship.
IA for?
Lordship,
IA for Mr. Nayak?
I already stay
Stay has already been granted, Lordship.
Matter need to be
But
heard.
during the hearing on the last date, Lordship, they made a submission that they are going to file some objection, Lordship.
No, Your Lordship, we will not going to file.
Then,
Then
Lordship,
we can go ahead with the hearing.
Lordship.
What is the matter?
Matter, Your Lordship, relates to payment of land acquisition compensation, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
then we have it for hearing on next week.
Lordship.
If we'll record that you'll not like to file any
Yeah.
objection regarding what? There is no question.
No, not necessary, Your Lordship. Since it's a, no new facts has been brought, Your Lordship.
It was. Objection if any filed prior to next request. It I is.
I have taken, I have state who is Heard Sri P. Nayak learned AG for the state appellate as well as Sri. Excuse me.
Is it only one?
As well as Sri S. Bhattakulal, senior counsel, assisted by Sri D. Gogoi for the sole respondent. Sole respondent.
1 to 10, Your Lordship.
For the respondents with petitioners. Miss Yafo, who is 11? Revenue. Miss Anne Brodloy, London Standing Council Revenue is also present. Sri Bhattakur, the London Senior Council has submitted that objections, public affidavit are not required to be filed and the matter can be heard on the basis of the pleadings which were filed in the writ proceedings. Para? In view of the above, list this matter for hearing
On
on
4th, Lordship. 4th of June. Lordship.
4th of, no, then say, in view of the above and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list for hearing on 4th of June.
Lordship. Interim may be continued, Lord.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Madam will have a walkover today.
Yesterday.
Huh?
Yesterday.
Yesterday he's played his role.
Hmm?
Yesterday he's played his role, his part. So it's not a walkover.
Mr. Sharma, if you start, I'll come. We informed him, Lordship. So he's informed Mr. Sharma that he will start, wait, I'll come.
Okay. No, we have heard him. We know what is the matter about. It was for today's, is for your response.
Lordship, I have gone with the records, Lordship, at page 53 of the petition. I will start with the written statement filed by the petitioner, Lordship. At page 53. Lordship, may I read it? It's a very short written statement. He has not mentioned anything about his siblings. His father has stated in his deposition that he is his third son. So
Just a minute, just a minute. Written statement at page 53.
53 by the petitioner lordship.
You said there are no relevant disclosures.
No, nothing lordship. He just
No,
one,
no mention about siblings.
no mention about siblings. And mentioned only about the 66 voters list containing his grandparents' names, lordship. Whereas the father at page 60, lordship.
Page 60.
60 of the petition. In his deposition, lordship, he has stated.
As DW?
W. It
Three.
would be DW3, lordship.
He is the father.
Yes. He has stated, lordship, or note that the second, I Majibur Akman, he says, there's a there's a discrepancy in the father's name. There are three names. He has written, he is Mijar Ali, son of Majibur Rahman, lordship. And here the father writes, I Majibur.
He's not Mijar Ali, he's Niyar Ali.
Niyar Ali, yes, lordship. 1 second, lordship. My notice got mixed up. So many.
No, I think that was only, you had written.
This is no lordship.
You had written Miyar as Mijar because the other Majibur Akman was.
Niyar lordship. So lordship, father at page 60.
60 years. Majibur Akman.
Yes. The father says that the second party is my third son. We live together. Exhibit 3 is the copy of this voters list of 1966, contains the name of his father, father's father, Mantaz Ali. I had cast my vote for the first time in the year 1985.
Oh.
And the 1966 voters list of the grandparents do not have the name of his father. So a linkage with the grandfather and the father is also not there. Father and the son is absolutely missing. My father casted vote during his lifetime and died about 18-19 years ago. I did not submit voter list of other year. Exhibit 7 is a copy of Kecha sale deed. The land is government land and paid revenue as Tausi. Since 1.5 years, stopped the revenue. The revenue paying receipt did not submit before the court. Keep at home. We have been living at one number Maguri Mari since the day of my grandfather. My grandfather was called by two names. One is Makar Ali and the other is Pora Sheikh. We are the resident of this village since long back. My son Niyar Ali is a citizen of India and government lodged the case falsely. I came to this court and deposed at the request of my son. This is not there in the proceedings written statement. He has not mentioned anything about his brother's lordship.
What would be the date of birth, year of birth of the father? Around 1948.
If
Trying
the
to-
son lordship,
No, if you come to page 60,
Yes, Lordship.
Majipur says, the father says that he is 68 years as on 2016.
Yes.
This deposition was of 2016.
2016.
So he'll be born when 1948 around.
Just check it up. Nineteen
48.
Yes, Lordship.
So if he's born on in or around 1948 and he has cast for vote for the first time in 1985
85.
and there is a voters list of 1965.
He was 37
66.
years old when he casted his vote for the first, and the father was 37 years old.
No, 48, 58, 60. In 66 voters list, perhaps he has not attained the age of voting. He would have been around 18. 18 was not, at that time it was 21.
After that, 70, 71, Lordship, 75.
Prior to 85, there is not a single voter list.
He has not exhibited, no, he has exhibited only 66.
That is it. After 85,
Yes. Voter list of 85 was not exhibited before the tribunal.
85 was not there.
Not exhibited. It is here, but it was not exhibited before the tribunal, Lordship.
But nonetheless, if 85 he says he had voted, he should have voted, father should have voted at least from 70 onwards.
70 onwards, Lordship.
So father's connection is become doubtful.
Completely, because it doesn't link him to the grandparents, his own father. Lordship, 85 voters list which was annexed at page 23, which is
20.
23, Lordship, of the petition. His date of birth appears to be 1957, the father's. Because here
57.
it shows 28 years.
20 page.
Page 23.
85 was not.
Not exhibited, but even if Lordship, though it doesn't make a much importance because it was not pleaded before.
Who is Majibar?
His father. Interestingly, it is Majibar Ali, but his father's name is Majibar Rahman.
Akman.
Akman is different, Rahman is different. There are 3 names, Lordship. And the village is also different. 66 villages different and 85 villages different.
So this Majibar Ali becomes Majibar Akman in the deposition.
And
in the deposition, he says that in 2016, he is 68 years,
yes,
meaning thereby that his year of birth would be in or around 1948.
8.
In this voter list, which they are not even exhibited, but nonetheless,
Yes.
the age has been
28
years.
in 1985.
It should have been at least 36 or 37.
36, 37.
And this annexure C otherwise also is not exhibited.
Not exhibited, Lordship.
This is of which village, madam?
This is of Dhanshiri.
Khuti, and the other one, 66,
66 is of
Agurmari.
Magurmari NC. Village 1, number Magurmari.
Who is Sakina Khatun?
Mother Lordship. But in written statement of the petitioner, there is no mention of the mother's name also.
He mentioned, not mentioned.
At page 53. As vague as it could be, it is like that, Lordship. He has just written that my father's name, I'm reading it again, Lordship, that this at page 53, the second party is a citizen of India by birth. The case against the second party is totally false and baseless. The second party is a permanent resident of village 1, number Maguri Mari under Shanbari Mauza. The father name of the second party is Majibur Rahman. So we have one Majibur Ali and one Majibur Akman. His grandfather's name appears in the voters list of 1966 of 72 Mangalday Legislative Assembly Constitution under the same village. The
Where are you reading? 53.
Yes, Lordship.
Written statement.
Written statement where he has not stated his mother's name.
Father name also is Mazibur Rahman. Oh.
Only father and grandfather's name he had said,
Yes.
but not others.
No brother, no mother, nothing, Lordship. Like name
And
of the
1966 is the only voters list which was exhibited,
Only-
and none of the others, right?
And now he has exhibited 85, 89. Yesterday he mentioned, but I couldn't find it in the records and neither here. What in the 89 or 3? You say.
Yeah, আমি detail লগত
Huh?
85 is not a certified copy.
No, not exhibited also.
Not exhibited.
Yes. Yesterday I heard something 89. But I couldn't find that document anywhere, neither in the records nor in the petition. In 2010 we mentioned, but not exhibited. Then the ration card and the rest, Lordship may kindly come to the residential certificate now. Gauhati's deposition, Lordship, at page 58.
It's 58.
So father, there are three names of father. Mazibur Akman, Mazibur Rahman, and Mazibur Ali. Ages are also not matching.
All different Lordship. Deposition 68, 85 is 28, and one I do not know because the name just popped up, Lordship.
Okay.
Can I take Lordship to the residential certificate?
Page?
Now? Page 50.
50.
Yes, Lordship. Issued by the Gauhati. Lordship, firstly, it contains the state emblem, Lordship, the national emblem. Which is not permissible and does not authorize the Gauhati to give a residential certificate. I will rely on a judgment on this point, Lordship.
What is written? Yar Dara Praman. Photo diya hoye. Miyar Ali.
Near
Mazibur.
son of Majibur Rahman.
No. Majibur?
Not
I'm
Rahman.
reading the
It's not
translated
Rahman.
English copy.
No.
Ali.
Majibur. Ali, this is Ali.
But here in the translated copy, he's written Majibur Rahman.
Mr. Ahmed. Vernacular, it appears to be Ali.
Yes, yes. Sorry, that part.
এক নম্বৰ এওঁ মোৰ লাটৰ এজন বাসিন্দা হয় আৰু এওঁক মই ভালদৰে জানো এওঁৰ উজ্জ্বল ভৱিষ্যত কামনা কৰিলো চৰকাৰী গাঁওবোৰে Which one do you like to would you like to cite?
Lordship Mahiruddin, WPC 5.
What about the Supreme Court judgment? Honorable Justice Gogoi's judgment? The authority to issue such a certificate is not.
Coming to that, Lordship, we have that in two of our own judgments. I do not remember Justice Gogoi's.
No, citing. Huh?
That is Panchayat certificate, which was issued during the NRC.
Okay, this is a Gaambura certificate.
This is Gaambura.
Okay, which one then?
Lordship, I would like to rely on. I would like to. Which 14?
Romila ঘটনা কি আছে না উজ্জ্বল এমব্লেম কথা
আমার এই justice নারীবার এই জানলে উৎপাদন পঞ্চায়েতের গোটে পাওয়ার যেটা কোর্ট করে দিছে এই সার্টিফিকেট দিয়ে পাওয়ার হয় না মানে লিগালি সেটা বুঝছে মানে একটু পড়ে মানে দুই সময় পঞ্চায়েত নট গাঁওপুর
এই যে কালি লিখাল বেটি পঞ্চায়েত আছে বেটি কেস দিব রূপজান না রূপাজান
Lordship, I would like to rely on WPC 576 of 2019.
Name?
Mahiruddin. Mahiruddin.
What is the date of the judgment?
6/5/2019. I had served a copy in another matter yesterday, Lordship, same judgment. Lordship, here it is dealt.
Paragraph?
Lordship, paragraphs are not here because we have a downloaded copy. But it begins with Lordship. It begins with the fact that the OP is residing to the same village with the Gaubura is not sufficient. I will again furnish a copy.
It starts with what words? The paragraph starts with what words?
It starts with the DW2, the Gaubura, and it's in the middle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line in that paragraph.
Yes.
May I read it, Lordship? The fact that the OP is residing to the same village with the Gaubura is not sufficient to issue a certificate under Executive Instruction Part 8, Chapter 1 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886. He said executive instruction of the Gaubura does not authorize a Gaubura to issue such certificate, and as such it has no legal sanctity and cannot be treated as a legal certificate, and hence Exhibit E renders admissible in evidence. Secondly, besides the Gaubura, certificate may not be admissible due to use of state emblem on the top of it without any authority. Such improper use of the state emblem of India by itself renders inadmissibility or in evidence. So we are relying on this, Lordship. And Lordship, another. And it is the Gaubura's personal knowledge and not by record, Lordship. For this, we are relying on Romila Khatun, Lordship, WP. It is reported in 2018 for GLT 373. ROMILA.
Khatun is KHA.
KHATUN. Khatun.
পেজ কিমান ক'লে?
आपको
373.
373, paragraph 22.
What is the proposition?
Gaubura cannot, it is his personal knowledge, Lordship. It is right that documentary evidence would have to be proved on the basis of the records, and the contemporaneous record must substantiate and prove the contents of the document. Proof of document is one thing and proof of contents is another. Not only the document would have to be proved, but its contents would also have to be proved. That apart, the truthfulness of the contents of the documents would also have to be established from the record. A document or contents of the document cannot be proved on the basis of personal knowledge. Lordship, I would even like to rely on the, give a judgment for the WS Lordship. Rashmi Nara. 2017. 4 GLT.
2017
4 GLT. 346. It would cover, Lordship, the written statement, age discrepancies both at 2017 4 GLT 346.
Name?
Rashmi Nara, RASHMINARA. Rashmi Nara Begum, BEGUM. Yet you like it to Rashmi Nara Begum. 25 वर्ष 43 वर्ष. This is on the written statement. Written statement is the basic statement of defense of a proceeding before.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 25, Lordship. Lordship. I'm not reading, Lordship. I've read it many times. 40, 25, 42, Lordship. This is regarding the age discrepancies. One of the key factors in this case is the consistent discrepancies in the age of the petitioner. Here it is the age discrepancy of the father, Lordship. As noticed above.
Ashminara is on age discrepancy, not on WS. WS.
It is beyond pleadings also, but the discrepancies are also.
Both.
Lordship, I can just read it out, Lordship. Huh? Read his Lordship. As noticed above in the written statement filed, the petitioner disclosed her age as 30 years. This is her own declaration. If this is admitted to be correct, this would mean that the petitioner was born. It goes back to the father because the father's link is not with the grandparents, neither with the petitioner. So in case Lordship decides to take up this proportion, Lordship. Lordship, yesterday he mentioned that he was marked D. But I heard you say.
No. He marked 9.
That is why there's no voters list because 1989, he said his name appeared. I was just taking down the notes. Any question?
D9. D কত নাই? Only shifting এর কারণে D9.
The Central Council.
না D9.
Okay. Lordship.
Right,
Central Council for the principle on search.
Bikorto.
Yes.
He was making one of the submission that R5, DW5, there was no reflection in the, will it make any impact in the decision-making process? First, we have to examine from the context, what is DW5? What has he said?
I'm just coming to.
Ideally, would a judgment would require consideration and perhaps rejection or acceptance. That has not been done. But what is the evidence of DW5?
It is not there in It's not there in the petition. He has only put annexed 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, 65. please.
Deposition of Fajr Ali. Yes, 64. Yes.
Just 65.
Right. Lordship, Fazil Ali, age is not there. No, not there. I am an Indian and permanent resident of Assam. That the second party of the above case is an Indian citizen and permanent resident of Assam and was born in the village.
What is the page number of Fazal Ali?
64 related copy.
Hmm.
That Majibur Rahman, who is the father of the said Miyar Ali, was born in this village, and Mantaz Ali, who is the father of Majibur Rahman, is also born in 1 number Maguri Mari village. The above Mantaz Ali is the grandfather of the second party, and his name appeared in the voters list. So and so. That's all. No description who he is, from where he is, how is he related. He's either a neighbor or a relative. There is no mention of any.
I'm Indian. Everyone is Indian citizen.
Yes, Bape, yaar.
What is the
Grandfather.
connection? No connection has been revealed. The second party of the is an Indian and permanent resident of the village, born in the village.
Anyone can.
Majibur, who is the father of this, was born in the village.
Nothing relevant, Lordship, in this statement. And who he is and in what capacity he has come to give this deposition, we do not know.
What about DW?
W4 is the relative, Lordship, at page 62. Is the same copy paste of what we read for DW5, Lordship.
4 has been discussed.
4 has been discussed. And if Lordship reads, it is just a copy paste of what 4 said and 5 said the same.
Where is 4?
Page 62, Lordship.
Basically, I know. Other areas are there. Up to Safarga, Gura, he took a paste. Same as other was it was he took a paste.
In fact, the father has stated more than the petitioner.
Father has stated more than the.
More than the petition, more than the proceeding.
Yes.
He has given a family picture that he has 3 children and he is the 3rd son. But the son has not stated the name of his mother or his brothers. So Lordship will come to page 60. That is the father. Lordship, we've done with DW3. 4 we have done with. 3 is the father. I have read it out, Lordship. Yeah. Huh? Okay. That's all, Lordship.
The tribunal has not discussed about whom, DW5.
5.
Only 5.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4 discussed. 5.
They have not.
Discussion.
Grandfather
But how is the deposit not petition? How do you know the petitioner? Who has called you? Why have you come? Are you resident? Are you related? Any hello, credence to. But there was no cross-examination. APP was not there or what? Kindly check the records.
The custodian,
I have.
what's that?
The opinion also states.
Mr. Sharma, just assist us. Check.
Lordship, for no mention about the DW5 lordship. There is one judgment which I would like to just read your lordship. It says, the statement of DW2, that is Amiruddin, who claimed to be the father of the petitioner, cannot be relied upon in the absence of any document showing his relationship to the petitioner. In this, we would observe that in a proceeding under the Foreigners Act 1946 and Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964, the evidentiary value of oral testimony without support of documentary evidence is wholly insignificant.
Which one are you reading?
Yes, Lordship. I'm reading Asia Khatun, ASI A. Asia Khatun, KHATOON, WPC 4020 of 2017, decided on 21/11/2019.
Not reported.
No, Lordship.
Paragraph.
Paragraph 6. Lordship, this is the evidence, the evidentiary value of oral testimony without support of documentary evidence is wholly insignificant. Oral testimony alone is no proof of citizenship. The evidence of DW2 does fall short of being considered as cogent, reliable, and admissible evidence, so much so to establish linkage of the petitioner to him.
But the same was not discussed by the tribunal that is there. No.
And then the petitioner has enclosed few documents with the writ
402.
petition for consideration. We would observe that
70.
fresh documents introduced in the present writ proceedings cannot be looked into or considered, the same not having been produced, exhibited, and proved before the tribunal at the first instance.
PPP was not there.
So no cross-examination.
Okay, anything else, madam?
We have covered almost everything.
Reply.
Any rejoinder?
Milord, in this case, Milord, DW 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there is no any cross-examination by the state, my lord. Yes, because, Milord, in the impugn order, page 66, and none advocate for the state, none advocate for the OP, none. And that means, my lord, petitioner himself conduct the case, my lord. That's why, my lord, evidence of the DW 5, 4, 3, all are same, same, my lord. And my learned queen relying on judgment Asia Khatun, my lord. That person reflected in the order, my lord. But in this case, my lord, DW 5, though stated before the tribunal, adduced evidence, my lord. That part not reflected in the.
But what evidence did he?
My lord, he is a villager, my lord.
No, where have we stated? Where is the documented evidence of DW5?
My lord, he is a direct evidence, my lord, as per section 59 of the Evidence Act, my lord, 60 of the Evidence Act, my lord.
So
He is the villager, he knows
what much
everything, my lord.
significance will it have in a FT proceeding?
Yes.
Where is
That-
it stated? Let us again see what is DW5.
Yes, my lord,
Let us
my
read.
contention is, my
Let
lord,
us read, let us
is that
read.
whether this aspect is rejected or accepted must be reflected in the order.
We have to do substantial justice, Mr. Ahmed. We are not going to such technicalities.
My lord, the
that when it is
tribunal
not
cannot pass
considered.
like that order, my lord, without a recording statement, my lord.
Let's
Which is
read
the
that.
before the tribunal.
We are examining.
Hmm.
We are examining what would be the significance.
Yes.
We are not saying that we are also discarding.
Hmm.
We are examining.
Yes,
Let us
my
see
lord.
what is DW5.
Yes.
Let us see. Will it make any meaning? Any improvement in your case?
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord,
Yes.
top, Moi Fazar Ali Pita Asuruddin Sang Eknong Magurmari. That is the village of the petitioner, my lord.
That you are saying. You are saying.
No, the DW5 saying me.
Where he said, he
Yes.
said I am Agurmari. Where is he
Yes,
said?
Moi Fazar Ali Miller.
And
Kindly
where
say.
is he said that this is the village of the petitioner?
Yes, my lord, village ek nong mama Magurmari.
He has named the village. Where is he state that this is the village of the petitioner?
Yes.
You cannot add words to the mouth of the, what has been recorded, please read. Please read whatever is recorded. What meaning you can give or what she can give is different. We read what has been recorded. Please read. Please read.
মই এজন ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক হয় 2 নম্বৰ মিলত উক্ত গোচৰৰ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ এজন জন্মতে ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক অসমৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা যিহেতু দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ এই গাঁৱতে জন্ম that means মিলত at village 1 নং মাগুৰমাৰী number
How is he connected?
he is a villager মিলত neighbor of the village মিলত
Even a mother's evidence is not.
Yes, my lord.
not
In this case, my
sufficient.
lord, father evidence is.
Even mother's evidence is not sufficient.
No, my lord, accepted, my lord. In the case of my lord, Korimali, my lord, I kindly see. Para 51.
Which one?
Korimali, my lord, 2028 to 3GLT 816. Any evidence of the DWS, my lord, not a challenge by the state respondent. Which is Milot Abdul Khalek Milot para 9. It will look.
Paragraph?
Para 9 this one. And mother's evidence is accepted.
Where? Which part? Para 9?
Abdul Khalek Milot.
Abdul Khalek.
It's Korimali.
Korimali is paragraph of 51 Milot. Evidence of mother Milot.
There are citations there hereafter also. How has it been deferred? Karim Ali's 2022.
Abdul Khalek.
816. Paragraph 51. But in this instant case, he is not the mother, DW5, not the father, not the brother.
Father seen the birth of the petitioner, Milot.
No. This DW5.
DW5 is the villager.
He is not the father.
No.
He is not the brother. He is not the mother.
He is the villager, Milot. Very fact, Milot. He is the villager. He knows the petitioner, father, grandfather, Milot. Oral evidence, Milot. And that part may be reflected in the
Father Ali, what is his age? What is his age? Age?
Who?
Father Ali, DW5.
Father Ali's age is not mentioned in the page 65 Milot. Age is not mentioned, Milot.
So you do not know. He may be a young boy of 20 years. He may be an old man of 90 years. And what is the other one? Khalek?
Abdul Khalek is Milot. Para 9 Milot.
Please give the citation.
Yes, Milot. 2013 1 GLT 941.
Abdul Khalek. Khalik. Paragraph?
Yes, Milot.
Paragraph?
Para
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Not 9. Only because no cross examination.
Witness have not been selected.
On cross-examination.
Ah, yes, my lord. 6, my lord.
See, admittedly, there was no GP, and if the court would have crossed, you had to say that the court does not have the power.
I did-
So you have to consider the evidence, whatever it is.
It is the state duty to cross-examine, my lord.
Yes.
It is the duty of the state, my lord.
So there was no APP or GPP, whatever.
My lord, I don't know, my lord.
No, there is no.
As
no-
per order, my lord.
No, there is no representation.
No, my lord. As
It
of
was
today, my
not
lord,
there?
there is a APP, my lord.
No, you see the order.
Yes, there is no any AGP, my lord.
Okay, so.
And also,
So if you go the principles, by the principles, unrebutted doesn't mean that whatever you say will be the truth. The court has to consider it.
yes, my lord.
Just like even in pleadings, if you do not rebut the pleadings, that J&K case, now that has been explained, it will not mean that you have to consider, you have to take it as it is given. You have to consider it. We'll consider it.
My view, my lord, the citizenship of a person cannot be taken by technically. mean. And
No, we
if
are
the
not-
technical is used, my lord.
No,
nobody
Mr.
can
Ahmed,
prove
you are
citizenship.
being technical. That it is not being cross-examined, so exam, so consider it.
Yes, in this
We
case,
are
my-
taking a very
in
substantial.
this case, my lord.
We are taking a view which will meet the ends of substantial justice. We'll consider it.
Yes. In this case, my lord, I have seen, my lord, at least, my lord, evidence of the DW5, my lord, and maybe reflected in the order, impugn order, my lord. Whether accepted
we'll
or
close it.
rejected,
Yes,
that part
anything-
not reflected. my lord.
There is no rejoinder of rejoinder. This what is it?
What I'm going to say, Lordship, during the time of 15th Lordship, he was aged about 30 years in the year 2015. That means Lordship, he sometimes born in the year of 1985. But he in this petition Lordship, he relies on a document of 1985 voter list, which is of different village Lordship Dhonsai did.
That is, I have.
Born at village Dhonsai because his father was available at Dhonsai at the time of his
85.
born Lord.
What is it? DW5.
DW5 has stated, yes, Lordship, DW5 has stated that OP was born at village Magurmari Bill. Lordship. In father has also said, Lordship, he was born at village Magurmari Bill.
The petitioner is born.
Yes, Lordship. But he is in his evidence, Lordship, he reflected his age as 30 years, Lordship.
Where?
In the year of 2015, Lordship.
But he is not in the, it doesn't, age is not reflected.
Record says, Lordship.
Record says what? Record says what?
Lordship.
Age?
He was aged about 30 years in the year of 2015.
So year of birth will be?
1985.
Okay.
Then Lordship, he relies on a return list of 1985 in this repetition, although it was not exhibited, Lordship. In 1985 and 1997, Lordship, page 23 and page 25. Those documents are not exhibited, Lordship. He relies in this repetition, Lordship.
No, those are not exhibited.
So, he was the resident of village Tonsirikoti.
Who?
Yes.
Petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
But 85, what? 85, his father's name is shown, Dhansiri Kuti.
Yes, Lord.
Then?
And 97 Bhutan is also related in this petition, Lordship. This is also Dhansirikoti.
Both?
Yes, Lordship.
1997.
Then how is Magurmari relevant?
So,
66 is Magurmari. 66, he was yet to come to this world.
Yes,
In 66.
Yes, Lord.
He was in outer space.
Yes, Lord.
85, you came to Earth.
But Lordship, Fordorali has said, Lordship, he was born at village Magurmari. But he was not available at that time, his father's projected father at that village, Lordship.
This is shifting, my lord. I am stated in paragraph 2, my lord, kindly say.
No, shifting is not the issue, neither the controversy. He says that DW 5 says that he is from Magurmari.
Yes, my lord.
And your, the petitioner also stays in the same village.
Yes.
This deposition was given when?
Yes.
2015.
2015.
Yes.
He reflected his age 30 years.
And this voter list, which are not exhibited, in spite of that 85 with 97 voter list, you are a resident of Dhansiri Kuti,
Dhansiri Kuti shifted, my lord, subsequently he again shifted to Magurmari, my lord.
not stated.
Then again shifted to 97 lordship.
Not stated.
Yes, Magurmari and Dhansiri Kuti.
No,
my
no,
lord.
have you
In the
stated?
voter list of 2010, my lord, his
Mr.
name first
Motil,
time
if you
appeared.
if you ask question, you can answer.
Yes.
But this answer has to be reflected in the written statement.
Yes, not reflected in the written statement, my lord.
Lordship, my-
That's why, my lord, he has himself prepared the written statement with the help of one somebody, my lord.
But
So-
you cannot say that he was born in Magurmari. If 85 is the year of his birth, then he has to be in
Dhansiri.
Sirikuti.
Hmm.
Because to 2005, in an uncertified copy, you have said they are back in Magurmari.
Hmm.
But 95, he has 85, he has to be in Dhansiri. So he was not born in Magurmari.
His age 2010 is 22 years. A petitioner's age. A petitioner's age, Magurmari, in 2010, 22 years, my lord.
2010.
Yes. 2010, his age was 22 years, case 37.
Then when was he born? According to 2010?
Yeah, for minus 12 हो जाएगा.
We have detected his year of birth to be 1989.
Yes, my lord. As per calculation, my lord.
89.
89.
As per calculation of the voter list of 2010.
So-
1997, he
Dhansiri
in
Kuti.
Dhansiri Kuti.
Till 1997, his father was at Dhansiri.
DW5 evidence is not relevant at all. Lord.
So DW5 evidence is not reliable.
It is not relevant, I accepted it, but it is must be reflected in the order, my lord.
Okay.
This must be reflected in the order, whether I rejected or accepted. There is no any sentence mentioned in the order.
That is the only point.
That is the tribunal is going on without mentioning anything of the evidence. Leave to your lordship. My argument is finished.
That you have to do. You cannot write the judgment. Mr. Ahmed, will you write the judgment?
Which one, my lord?
Why are you making this statement? Leave it to us.
Lord,
That we have
lordship,
to
I
do.
have finished my argument, my lord.
If you want to write the judgment, you can do it.
Pass any order, my lord.
You want to write the judgment?
My lord.
You want to write the judgment?
Lord,
Why this kind of submission, Mr. Ahmed? After all this hearing, we have accommodated you for 2 days.
My part is complete.
So why this kind of a demeanor
Sorry,
in
my
this
lord.
court?
Sorry, my lord. I
Please
will.
do not. Please
I
do not.
will.
We are not used to this
Would
kind of
my
thing. We have been very
my
cordial with you, Mr.
Sorry, my
Ahmed.
lord.
My sister is being very cordial. Don't
Sorry,
don't address like this.
sorry, my lord.
It's not the
Extremely
way.
sorry.
There's a cordial relationship.
Apologies.
We are doing matters.
Put
you are
down my
professional.
put down my sentence, my lord. Put down my
Should
sentence.
not you.
Sorry.
This kind of demeanor is not.
Sorry, extremely
See
sorry.
this. We have a very cordial relationship with the bar and the bench. Don't spoil this relationship with
Extremely
like this.
sorry. Extremely sorry. Put down my
You know what to do.
Put
You
down
know what to do.
Put down my part, my lord. Apologies, my lord.
Making this kind
Before
of
this court.
submission.
Apologies, my lord.
Your demeanor makes a long time. The impression is long lasting. One kiss is nothing. Okay. Heard A. Mamita, then G. Sharma, then A. Verma, and Kolita, Mr. P. Sharma. And CCC, anyone? CCC, name? J. Sharma. You are a CCC? Okay, J. Sharma. Okay.